Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung refrigerator cap. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new cap. The cap is part of the French door assembly. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to open up the left door on the refrigerator. And then we're going to open up the French door just to show you the caps. There's one on the top, there's one on the bottom. They're both changed out the same way. Then we're going to close the French door. Once you have the French door closed, we can use a small flathead screwdriver to release the cap from the back side. You just have to carefully get behind here and flex a little bit. Once you have it free, you can open the French door again. Then we can use the flathead screwdriver to carefully get between the cap and the housing. There's a little locking tab right here. You can kind of press on to get it to release. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old cap next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new cap in, all you have to do is line it up and snap it into place. Once you have it installed, you can close the French door, and then you want to look at the back of the cap and make sure that it's snapped in. If it didn't, you can take a small flathead screwdriver and snap it in. Once you have it secure, you can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and make sure it starts to cool. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.